to download Helldivers 2 on PC. So first, you need to download Steam or install Steam to your device. Now, once you download and install Steam, what you want to do next is to simply go to the store or make sure that you're logged in to your Steam. And then there you will see this search icon. So you have to tap this one and you have to search or type Helldivers 2. Okay, so you should type it right here. Now you will see some features and games, but you have to make sure that the Helldivers that you're looking is Helldivers 2. Okay, so once you found it, what you want to do is simply click and you have to enter your birthday to continue. And then once done, click this view page right here. And then you have to scroll down. What you want to do next is to simply add this to your cart. So tap this add to cart here. And then you have two options next, purchase for myself or purchase as a gift. So you have to click this purchase for myself, of course. And then after that, it will take you directly to the payment method. Now, let's just say you want to pay or purchase this via Visa or MasterCard, and all you have to do is to enter the information like card number, expiration date, security code, first name, last name, and actually, don't worry, everything is safe here. All the information is safe here. Okay, and then once done, click continue. Now, if you want to pay using your PayPal, you just have to tap PayPal and then click continue. Now you have to link your PayPal here, purchase the game. And once you have found the game or once you have purchased this, and you can go to the library, then you will see that you have already purchased and installed this Helldivers 2. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.